Yeah, hi guys. I hope you're good. So yeah, we're just going to do like something, creating something new things like CV makeup for the every person we need in the this industry that they need CV maker app and the things it's going to be the free also. If you want to download your CV or something, so you can create and download that website. So I'm just going to build that website. Uh, that's the name of the CV maker. Okay. So let me say that things and yeah. So most of the things I was done in the with help of the integrity. Yeah. So basically, we got from the something in the live view. I'm going to say to you. Just check on how it's going to come. Yeah. Yeah. So this one we have like if we were to change the name or something. So like I'm going to fill my name like Marks. Yeah. So costing costing. Okay. So basically, if you have a name, so you can fill like this, and you can want to change. So of course you can change that. We have a summary. You can write a summary. We have a education experience or something. So in that missing many things from this like education, we need to put the year of completion and when we started that was so you need to fill and yeah, if we're going to fill like yeah, the like a Delhi. Okay, so Delhi in the India actually we're going to fill. So we need to check how it's gonna like that. Skill name and you rate and you can add the skills that thing also it's missing from there. So we need to put like that something. So basically we need to fix that thing. So yeah, give me 1 second. I just back. Okay, give me just 1 second. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, so where we were actually are here actually, and yeah, so basically the front end is going to run off the things. It's going to create a CP something. So many things is missing actually here. I just wanted to show you something. If you're going to like create new and the fill, if you fill in the name or something here. So yeah, here we can see the work experience have, but present and okay, so education also. And one more thing, we don't need like a live view. And if it is coming in a live view, so we need to change these things like many templates. So we just going to use the different template. Uh, don't need a live view. Live view will come. Okay, so first we need to step by step add functionality like functionality or login, login and register. Then in then user enter in dashboard, right? And uh, user can log out also. User can log out also. So basically, yeah, add functionality login and user can log out also, and they can go in up. So in the dashboard, they can move in the dashboard after the login, and the it's going to be easy for us guys, but little bit take maybe it's time little bit take. So no worry about that. Yeah, and I just got a one issue. I just tried to fix that one also. So you just check this with that. Um, yeah, the 2 second I just back, and yeah, I got a one issue rate of things. So I just try to fix that issue. One, it's a major problem for the everywhere sites, and I think so. So here we have the mail ID for. I don't remember that mail ID actually, so I just need to check once, and that's it. So the retention.com. So recently, I just visited a website. Their website got little got not too much, but I was trying to fix that one, and I just made it to them also to fix. And if you're getting involve the body and category, so we got some API authentication issue also. So the Prisma is going to install and just check one. So it will going to put the with the DB and authentication field because database server at the local host the provide database credentials. So it's I think name the problem with that. So don't worry about that. I think the yeah, that's okay. So it's going to just ensuring your DB.js. So you make a database created. Okay. So it didn't exist any CB maker database, so just going to create in the, that things and yeah, going to usually hi guys, did you like my content? So please subscribe my YouTube channel also and yep, 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 yep. Okay, so Prisma again going to push. I have correct again waiting for the file changes before starting. So then again it's going to authenticate field. Okay, so where you need to check Prisma push again database server local host. What is failed? Prisma let start a backend. So it is run until it's going to be fixed. That is all. So it's going to run again and again. I hope you got here the point. Yeah, hi guys. So, okay, we have a problem with that. It's working the problem with the main token actually. Give me a second. I just want to show you something what I just developed here and yeah. So this is I'm going to push and again I'm going to Windows and not there. Maybe we have and this place have but yeah. So basically we have just done these things and if you're going to see the register in the register we have the create account and first name, last name, mail address, and mobile numbers like that. We have the features, and yeah. So basically, we have the problem with that, and I just wanted to check. You can see Jessica. Okay. So yeah, अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम हो रखी है पहले मैं इसको चेंज करना चाहता हूँ फिर इसको कर तो दिया yeah I will be active after the KYC okay I'm so sorry I'm so sorry the activity what's happening now why yeah so now it's coming here and we just making a things like that and so we have the node modules Prisma. I've used the Prisma basically. Prisma is easy to for the scheme and things. And if you want to know what's the Prisma, so I can just go directly on the Prisma website and check what the Prisma UI is. Okay, so basically Prisma in a database or something, not in a anything in the Prisma and the Node. So basically Prisma understand is ORM for the Node.js and TypeScript. So Prisma.io, that was the last Prisma, and actually it's all in the consist of these tools. Prisma client can be used in any Node.js or TypeScript backend applications. Yeah, so it's sort working, but so we're gonna need to run that terminal also. We're gonna run one by one. So I'm just going the CD and the tab. Tab means what you want to run. So first we run the front end and how we can run the front end. We can run npm run dev. So basically when it's going to open in the and now we can see what's the user interface we got here. So we got like this type and finally share and column. Okay, so basically we have any mail ID something. Yeah, so we're just going to put this mail ID like 23 at gmail.com. So we need to check where it's going to be stored and I think it's enough for you guys. So okay. So basically I just forget. I just type the hashtag registration. Okay, can we try to register some? When we try registration, showing failed. So it's going to enlarge all the things what we have here currently, like CB Maker, frontend, and pages, route, authentications, and generate authentication controls, and backend also it's going to be checked once, and it's going to do all the things automatic. So basically, if we have any issue in that the register.jsx and the index.js, so it's going to release that bug. Okay, so we wait and check how it's going to work. It will take a little bit time for you guys, so don't worry about that. Please like, share, subscribe, guys. It's basically it's free, right? So you can check and you can use it. Yeah. So again, it's going to like implement day and this thing's going to happen again. Actually, the DB I was to use that brand treatment related to Prisma Client and next Prisma Studio. My focus shifted to network and broadcast. Okay, so actually, what happened? I also check on there it's working or not actually. So directly on that board. I think it's not fixed. So we again going to fix that. So so I will show you something what we have here with help of that project. So basically what these things are like a CB Maker application, and I wanted to build something like when we enter any details, so it's coming with different templates, and with that users can buy from there, and it's like $1, $2 like that. It's going to be ready, but the anti-root is not going to do all the things by alone. We need to fix all the things by step by step and just check where the issue. And I'm planning to do that things and actually in Angular. So basically, why we need to use the Angular because we got the issue in the React. So too many things, and the Angular it's a framework. So basically, I think it is going to be easy for us. I was trying to develop that things in the React, but I think it's not completed right now. Yeah. So I just move again that flag on here and click the Windows and go on the series. So basically, we have these things, and we just again do these things. So hi guys, please like, share, subscribe my channels, and also if anyone watching, so please like it's not going to charge anything, right? I hope you understand. I'm too tired. It was just a failure. So we got here the fish HTTP dot localhost and 50,000. I think not a 50,000 is 5,000. When the work completed, notify the user we have the I think maybe. And one more thing, why are we getting the issue like network or user already just like that? And because we really don't know how to be registered that any Google and directly we can register with that Google thing. So we really don't have any idea for that. Yeah, and I'm just going to check how we can do these things from in AI or something we need to use. Yeah, so we got the things in the for cv field.json. In the cv field, we have the full name, and text type required, not true like that we have, and it's required not love phone. It's already required level phone number. So like that we have the things here. Yeah, so we need to check here what we have. So we name skills label and the it's yeah, and we can update here that JSONs. One thing just check. Okay, so obviously we're going to use like okay, so we can use that mail invoice invalid credential, right? So if you're going to register here like SAP, alarm and the name and the number and 23145 and click on register self to log in. So when we're going to do and 1 2 3 4 5 and click on the login. When you click on the login, so go on the dashboard and when you click on the create a new CV, so it's going to be make something yeah, but we don't need that live preview like that. We just need to fill all the forms details, and after that you can see the in the template and which template you want to download. So like that we need, right? So yeah, we're going to put here. It's working properly. You can see here if it's not visible to you. I want to show you something here. Come on that and that. This one, right? So just type a one mail and 1 2 3 4 5. That is the password. And when we log in, so it's going to move in a create an ACB and log out. When we click on the log out, again it's going to be that login page, and again we're going to fill here. And the things is like showing the my resume, right? But we don't need like that. We need to change these things. I was planning to do these things in Angular because Angular is going to famous and it was a framework. So yep. And React is going to check it's responsive or not. Also, we can check in the responsive. Yeah. So we need to change the user interface also. Maybe it will take a little bit time. We're not sure about that. But I'm planning to change these things in Angular. Change these things. change front end in Angular. Yeah, but actually my system have one issue. My system have one issue. It's not going to load actually with that. So I will just change my mind and yeah, we need to take that screenshot how it's going to work, and we just submit that things to yeah. So we have this right now. So currently, when I just pasted these things and when log in dashboard. Okay, so create a one home page, create a home page, and in a home page, make a beautiful, beautiful, and review and add one CR 1 billion. We can say one, not 1 billion, like 20, not 20, it's like 68 million users build resume here and got selected in MNC. Okay, so these things put in a home page. Home page, we can say home page, and home page means it's a main page. We can select main page, and after that, we're going to like here we have one. So I'm just going to move that things also, and we're just going to check. So in a home page, I'm planning to build a. Okay, just we need to change and yeah. So so and the header also we need to come like this type, like will look like image. Okay, so and in a header, in header add uh, okay, what we have in this green and white screenshot. So build like this and add a JSON uh, file for text content. Okay, so what on homepage. Okay, so here's the image and just I'm going to tell. So basically we have created a homepage in a page, make a beautiful and review, and the 68 million user build the resume here and got selected in MNC. This put in a home page and in a header and what we have, so like that we are just going to implement. We don't have any home page, so basically we just add the home page and the what the content is going to come on the home page. So it is coming from the JSON actually, because the when it's coming from the JSON, so we can change these things from there. So I'm going to show you something nice, right? So I'm just going to accept all the things what we have. I have created the implements and it's going to implement. That's okay. Continue. I'm just going to tell here the continue that things, and it's going to be it will take a little bit time, but it's going to be do these things in a great way. I was planning to do these things in Angular because Angular have a little bit things, so we can do that. But the problem is, I have an issue with my Node actually. I just using the Node upgraded version. So when we running these things in Angular, so I'm getting the error and a lot of the error. I was just getting there. So I'm just planning to do these things in React because React it's going to be a little bit good, and the user interface can provide a better way in React. So yeah, I forget to add the responsive things also, and we need to for when we user can open in a mobile, so they can uh, they can found a menu also. So it's just going to create a beautiful home page also for me, and things. Okay, we can design these things in the for. Okay, okay, we need to check once. I think it's running. I think I'm not sure. And one more thing, we don't have anything. So the login routing and 1.5173. I hope it's running in a proper way. So guys, we just built here. So what I just put it in that user interface, and when you go for that, and you can see it's coming like that. CV Maker, we have a create resume template, CV templates like that, and we don't have that linked so working proper. So we need to fill that things also, and yeah, change my career layout, such thing like that we have, and one more thing we need to add here. So I just going to put that thing so in there. Yeah, it's looking good, and it's going to make too easy for us. Yeah, and I'm going to connect these things with the PayPal gateway, and find any user want to purchase anything from there, so they can purchase also. Authorities, yeah. Hey man, how are you? You are the first commenter at my live channel, so I just going to pin your. Yeah, I'm just going to pin your message on the live. So yeah, so I hope you like this content. Maybe I'm not sure. Yeah, so basically we have the pricing blog and contact like this, these things, but we don't have anything in a footer. So I just planning to add something there also. So it will take little bit time, but I'm going to done this thing. So okay, so give it 2 seconds. Maybe I just move these things from there. So don't worry about that thing. So it will actually my internet I think slow. It's going to take too much time. That's okay. It's not coming from the natural. It's coming from the some uh, companies and from the tech companies maybe. And the CV maker working through. So okay, so I'm going to again do change in this CV maker. This thing. I'm going to yeah. So you can now. So I'm just going to put here some the things not working right. So like resume template, CV template. So it's not working. Just put like these things and why this website not working actually. I just checked again and again. It's not working. The color combination is doing good and I forgot to add that things and okay. So do one thing. The home page. If we mm, yeah. So make responsive also for mobile view and add menu for mobile view and many links they don't have a component I think component I think so please add that component and yeah in the footer we need to add something right so I just check once again it's working or not if it's working the proper way so that's okay